Dear students of class 12th, today let us discuss the second part of this short story written by Satyajit Ray, The Scarecrow. Today we will be discussing the solved questions. Okay, I have already discussed with you about the author, theme of the story, and I have discussed with you the summary. Today we will discuss about the solved questions. Now, first of all, you see, these are one or two word questions, very simple questions because they are to be asked in a new pattern now. Question 1 is, what was the name of Mirganku Babu's driver? The name of Mirganku Babu's driver was Sudhir. You can only write Sudhir as well. Where did he go to fetch petrol? He went to Pannangad to fetch petrol. Question 3 is, name the magazine asked Mirganku Babu for a story. The Bharat magazine that asked Mirganku Babu for a story. Whose voice did Mirganku Babu recognize in the voice of the scarecrow? Mirganku Babu recognized the voice of Abhiram, who was once his servant, in the voice of scarecrow. Where did the scarecrow ask Mirganku Babu to look for his watch? The scarecrow asked Mirganku Babu to look for his watch under the wardrobe at his house. Now, answer these questions also. This is part B. Why did Sudhir not pay attention? What did Sudhir not pay attention to? Mirganku Babu had pointed out to Sudhir that the petrol gauge had not been functioning properly, but Sudhir did not pay attention to that. Question 2. Why did Mirganku Babu go to Durgapur? Mirganku Babu was a famous and popular writer. A club in Durgapur invited him to a cultural function in order to felicitate him. Accordingly, he went to Durgapur to attend the function and accept felicitation. What kind of shirt? Question 3. What kind of shirt was the scarecrow wearing? The scarecrow was wearing a torn red and black printed shirt. Who was Abhiram? Abhiram was a servant of Mirganku Babu who had served his family for 20 years. He lost his job on the charge of stealing a gold watch of Mirganku Babu. What did Mirganku Babu decide never to do again? Mirganku Babu decided that if something ever got stolen from his house, he would never seek a witch doctor's help. Now, part C is, these are some big questions. Answer the following questions. Now see, describe the western side of the road as seen by Mirganku Babu. Mirganku Babu had to wait all alone in the middle of a deserted road after Sudhir, his driver, went to fetch petrol from Pannangad. On both sides of the road there were stretched paddy fields. Mirganku Babu observed that on the western side of the road the scenery was rather the same as the eastern side. About 40 feet away from the road there was a pond with a very little water in it. There were some thorny bushes there and few trees were visible at quite a distance. There were 2 huts, but there was no sign of any inmates. In the middle of the field there stood the scarecrow. Why did Mirganku Babu feel a tremor? As his car ran out of petrol, Mirganku Babu got stranded near a paddy field on his way back to Calcutta after attending a felicitation function at Durgapur. He had to wait all alone in the middle of a deserted road after his driver went to fetch petrol from Pannangad. There was a scarecrow on the western side of the road. Mirganku Babu, for some unknown reason, continued to feel strangely drawn towards the scarecrow. He looked steadily at it. In a few minutes, a few things that made his heart beat faster. He felt the appearance of the scarecrow had changed somewhat. The 2 arms were lowered and it was standing less stiffy, more like a real man. The black pot seemed smaller and real like a head. Moreover, the scarecrow was advancing towards Mirganku Babu, limping and walking on 2 legs. It was wearing the same printed shirt and a short, lightly dirty dhoti. When the scarecrow called Mirganku Babu as Babu, he recognized the voice of Abhiram, his servant who lost his job on the charge of stealing a gold watch of Meganku Babu, and a tremor shot through his body. What happened to Abiram after he left Meganku Babu? Abiram was a servant of Meganku Babu who had to serve his family for 20 years, but he lost his job on the charge of stealing a gold watch of Meganku Babu. After Abiram left Meganku Babu, he never worked anywhere else. In fact, he could not, as he fell ill. He suffered from dropsy and it became serious. As he had no money, he could neither go to the doctor for treatment and buy medicines nor eat proper food. He never recovered and died of his illness. So these were the questions that I have discussed with you in this part of the lesson. I hope you will find more valuable videos from this. You go to my this YouTube channel where you are viewing it. You can view other lessons as well, and they are discussed in detail. तो यहाँ पे जो सवाल मैंने आपके सामने रखे हैं, इन सवालों के आंसर्स याद ये रटने नहीं हैं, इन सवालों को जहन में उतारना है. और अगर आपकी अंग्रेज़ी ठीक है, इफ़ यू आर गुड एट राइटिंग इंग्लिश, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इंग्लिश, तो आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं आनी चाहिए, क्योंकि समरी पढ़ने के बाद ही आप इस कहानी को लिख सकते हैं, इसको आगे ले सकते हैं. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप इस लेसन को भी सीरियसली अपने हिस्से में बांधेंगे, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि आज इस पेंडेमिक की हालत में हम घरों में बैठे हुए हैं. उस तरह की दूबदू यानी आई टू आई कंटैक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है जिसमें टीचिंग लर्निंग बड़ी मीनिंगफुल हो सकती थी. लेकिन फिर भी ये आप गनीमत समझिए कि आपके डोर स्टेप पे, आपके घर में आप जब भी बैठे हुए हैं, आप टेक लगाए बैठे हैं, आप बिस्तर के अंदर बैठे हुए हैं, आप कुछ कहीं भी बैठ रहे हैं, लेकिन आपके सामने आपका टीचर आपकी लेसन लेकर आपके सामने है. उम्मीद है कि आप इन चीज़ों का ख्याल रखेंगे, इनको पढ़ेंगे, समझेंगे. अफसोस होता है जब हम ये देखते हैं कि जो टीचर्स यहाँ से आपके लिए मवाद डालते हैं उसमें आप लोगों की व्यूज़ बहुत कम होती हैं, आप नहीं देख पाते हैं उन चीज़ों को. तो कैसे होगा जब अगर आपकी कल एग्ज़ाम इसी बुनियाद पे होना है, तो कैसे होगा. इसलिए मुमकिन है आज आप इस चीज़ को गनीमत समझो. अगर अल्लाह पाक ने हमें एक तरह से घर के अंदर महसूर कर दिया है, लेकिन दूसरे दरवाजे उसने हमारे लिए खोल दिए हैं. उसने हमारे लिए आपके घर में टीचर आ रहा है और किसी भी वक्त आपके फ़ोन के सामने है, आपके फ़ोन में लगा हुआ है, मटेरियल लगा हुआ है. आप इसका फ़ायदा उठाइए, पढ़िए, तभी जा कर के आपका भला और हमारा भी भला हो सकता है. टेक केयर, गुड बाय, अल्लाह हाफिज़.